Hi everyone! In this video we're going to create a fish tank with fun sea creatures made with Play-Doh. To do this, we're going to need this under the sea Play-Doh package with 4 different colors. Yellow, teal, orange, and dark blue. I'm also inviting these 7 Play-Doh colors. A rolling pin, cookie cutters, and a fishbowl. To start, we're gonna make an octopus. Let's get enough teal color and make it nice and smooth with the rolling pin. Make a circle with any container you have around. Then, make the bottom smaller. Now let's make his tentacles. You can make them any shape you want. Just make sure you have 8 of them. I still need to add 2 more. Once you're done, flip it and your octopus will be nice and smooth. You can make eyes with any color you want. I'm using dark blue and yellow. Look, very cute octopus! Now how about a fish star? Using a cookie cutter and yellow Play-Doh. Make it nice and smooth. And cut. You can shape it a little bit. It makes it look more real. Add some color to it and some eyes. That is a very smiley fish star. Let's get some orange Play-Doh. Make it a nice oval shape. Create some feet. Let's do 3 in this side. And 3 more in this side. And make some cloth. For that, you can use scissors, like me. Do you already guess what it is? Add the eyes. There you have it, a very cool crab. Now, there's no fish tank with no fish. So let's make one. I'm gonna use some dark blue and make a nice smooth flat oval. You can use any color you want. With light blue, I'm gonna make a semicircle. I'm gonna use this color for his face and fin. To make the tail, you can create a heart shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Let's make his eyes and mouth. Let's get some more color in this guy. He's ready to swim. And now a colorful fish. Start with yellow for the base and use any colors you want. My first color is gonna be this hot pink. Now let's add some soft pink. I'm also gonna use some teal. And some baby blue. Great, now let's make his face. There you have it, a very cool looking fish. How about a baby crab? We're gonna do it the exact same way, but smaller. He looks very nice. What else do we need for a fish tank? How about some jellyfish? Start with half a circle. Use any color you want. I'm gonna use violet. Now do some long pieces for the bottom. And also we're gonna do some of them white. I'm gonna add some pink on this. Very cool! You can make a baby one too! It's your turn now to use your imagination and create a lot of other creatures. Here are some examples of what I made. Now it's time to decorate your fish tank. I have a little tip for you. If you spray with water your Play-Doh creatures, they will stick perfectly to the glass. Let's try to fit everyone in here. So, what do you think? How did yours turn out? Comment below and let me know. You can also tell me what would you like to see in the next video. This was so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Click there for more videos and more fun.